This is the Javan rhino. The Javan rhino is an endangered rhino species with only 76 left. They live in Indonesia only, and they're all located in the same reserve where they are protected. Their scientific name is Rhinoceros sundacus. They live in foresty and marshy areas with thick bushes and bamboo close to sea level. They eat bushes, fruit, twigs, and grass, and they don't have any predators except for humans in terms of animals, but they do have a predator, which is called the orango palm. It's a palm tree that is an invasive species to their location, and as you can see here, they're super tall and they cover a lot of area with their leaves, and because of this they block sunlight to the grass below it, which prevents them from having food and more resources to eat. But yeah, other than that, they love living in these thick bushed areas. So another plus from that they enjoy is mudding, where they'll roll around in the mud, and they really love and enjoy that. So here's a little clip of that. Yeah, so these rhinos give birth to one calf from around 1 year to 3 years, around that time period. And a little description about them. As you can see here, they have a lot of folds of skin, and they almost look like armor plates. And so that's a very unique characteristic about them. They also have really long horns. They have 10 inches, but unlike any other rhino species, they only have one horn instead of 2 or 3. Also, because of their terrain, they are very great climbers, and they've adapted to their environment. They're really great climbers. And as you can see here, they're also great swimmers. As you might know, Indonesia is a tropical island, and there's a lot of water, and the reserve in specific that they're surrounded by is surrounded by a huge body of water, and so they love spending time in that river, just swimming and sun soaking. So yeah, they're great swimmers. So a big part of the reason why they're endangered is because of poaching. Poaching is all the humans that come for these rhinos and different other species as well, for their horns or their ivory, whatever that animal might have. In this case, it's the horn, which some people find valuable. But by taking their horn, that usually kills them. And so this is why there's only 76 left of them in the world. But luckily, with every problem comes a solution, and there have been programs and foundations like the IRF, which is the International Rhino Foundation, which protects the rhinos, gives them enclosures and places to live, and supports the funding of the RPUs, which are the Rhino Protection Units. And so these are people who train and are sent to the areas where they live and protect them and make sure that they're not poached, and they're trained to protect these rhinos. And yeah, that's a brief summary on the Javan rhinos. And I watched a documentary on them, and the guy said it really well. He said that the first step to helping the government provide funding for more protection and better safety is by education. And the most that we can do with people that may not have the money or the influence or the power is to spread the knowledge and spread the awareness of these animals. So just remember, if you may not have the money, there's always something that you can do. There's always information and knowledge that could be spread to help bring awareness to this issue. And if you do have the money or the resources, donating to the IRF would definitely help ensure the safety of the species. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the Javan rhino.